Okay. Welcome back. Sorry for the interruption. For some reason, the streaming software I was using uh, sent a message that the live stream was disconnected. Okay, so sorry for that uh, interruption. All right, let's continue. Um, uh, question three, right? Question three. Question three. Which of the following is a possible sum of the complex numbers? Square root of negative 9 and square root of negative 16. So this is 3i plus 4i, which is 7i. So this is how we are going to do it in the calculator. So we get back on the calculator. And this is the main reason why you need to set the mode to complex mode. Okay, because with this kind of question here, if you do it on real mode, it will give you an error. Okay, but let's do it in complex mode. So I'm going to get the square root button. The square root, the radical square root symbol is blue. So I need second function to get it. And I'm going to do negative 9. Negative 9. Now let me say this. You gotta do negative 9, not minus 9. Okay, I know it means the same thing, but for the calculator purposes, this is a negative 9. Okay, if you use this minus 9, it will give you an error. So you have to do negative 9. And then I want to do a space to get this out of the radical. Okay. Then I do plus square root of negative 16. Negative 16. Okay. And this gives me 7i. Okay. 3i plus 4i, which is 7i. If you did this in a real mode, you will get an error. So that is the main reason why it's good to just put it in complex mode. Okay. Next one. Question 4. Okay. Now this is the definition of I. I is square root of negative 1. So this is multiplying this. Question 4, question 5. You know, you guys can do it. Let me just do one of them. Okay. I'll just put it like this, and it will give me the answer. Okay. If I do this one, 2 plus 2i all squared. Okay. Get my calculator. I just do parentheses 2 plus 2i, second function I, all squared. Now all squared, you can either use this here, the exponentiation function, or you can just use the squaring function. It's up to you. Yeah, the exponentiation function, if you use this, then you have to put 2. Or you can just use the squaring function right away, just like this, and you press enter. Okay, this gives us 8i. Okay, let me do the next one so I show you how that you can also use the exponentiation function. Now this exponentiation function, you can use it to raise to exponent anything at all. Anything at all. Okay. So I can show you how it's done. 4 plus 3. So this is just 8i. See, this one is 4 plus 3i all squared. Okay. Let me just go ahead and do this and use the exponentiation function calculator. So parentheses 4 plus 3i raised to power 2. So that's the only that's the thing. If you use the exponentiation function for squaring, you have to put 2. Okay. And you can just press enter. Normally I like to bring it down before I press enter, but you can go ahead and press enter, the enter key. It doesn't matter. Okay. Question 6. Okay. If I do question 6, did you see that question 6 and question 7 is the same thing? Interesting. Okay, it's the repetition. Okay, so I think I'll delete it after now. Yeah, I don't want repetition unless they have different. Now sometimes they do repeat similar questions, but they change the multiple choice. But this looks like it's exactly the same thing. So I'm just gonna delete this. Yeah, and as I see more, I will update this. So please check back later to. As I see more questions on the SCT, I will update this. Okay, as time demands. This one is division 2 plus 3i divided by I. Okay, so with this division, we just do it this way. I'm gonna just do it like this: 2 plus 3i divided by I. And I know you mustn't put parentheses because it's just a single thing. Yeah, but if you have 2 times, then it's good to put parentheses. Okay, divided by I. And you have that 3 minus 2i. Okay, I hope this made sense so far. As time demands, I will put more questions here. And if you're just solving complex numbers, this could be, if you're not doing complex numbers on SCT, and you're just solving complex numbers, then this can be using the calculator can act as checking your answer. Okay. All right. Thank you so much for watching this session, and we'll look out for more sessions. Have a great day.